There we go.
Okay, this is a poem called Scotch Words. It was written, I think, in the 19th century, and it's used to illustrate the difference between Scots and English. They speak in riddles north beyond the Tweed. The plain, pure English they can deftly read. Yet when without the book they come to speak, their lingo seems half English and half Greek. Their jaws are chafts, their hands when closed are neives, their bread's not cut in slices but in sheaves. Their armpits are their oxters, palms are luifs, their men are chields, their timid fools are cuiffs. Their lads are callant and their women kimmers, good lassies denty queens and bad ones limmers. They thole when they endure, they scart when they scratch, and when they give a sample it's a swatch. Scolding is flightening, and a long palaver is nothing but a blether or a haver. This room they call the butt, and that the ben, and what they do not know, they dinna ken. On keen cold days they say the wind blaws snell, and they have words that Johnson could not spell. And when they wipe their nose, they dick their bike, and which means anything you like. While some, though purely English and well known, have yet a Scottish meaning of their own. To prig is to plead, to beat down a thing in cost. To cough is to purchase, and a cough's a host. To crack is to converse, rough's the sky, and bairns are said to greet when children cry. When lost, folk never ask the way they want, they spear the gate, and when they yawn they gaunt. Beetle with them's a cloak, a flame's a low, the straw is stray, chaff, cough, and hollow how. A pickle means a few, muckle is big, and a piece of crockery ware is called a pig. Now, speaking of pigs, when Lady Delacour was on her celebrated Scottish tour, one night she made her quarters up the Crown, the head-inn of a well-known country town. The chambermaid, in lighting her to bed, before withdrawing, curtsied low and said,
"This nicht is cold, my lady. Would you please to hae a pig in the bed to warm your teas?"
A pig in the bed to tease? What's that you see? You are impertinent. Away, away.
Me impudent? No, ma'am. I meant nae harm, but just the grey-beard pig to keep you warm.
Insolent hussy, to confront me so, this very instant shall your mistress know. The bell, there's none of course. Go, send her here.
My mistress, ma'am, I dinna need to fear. In sooth, it was hersel that bade me speer. Nae insult, ma'am. We thought you'd be glad on this cold night to hae a pig in the bed.
Stay, gal, your words are strangely out of place, and yet I see no insult in your face. It is a custom in your country then, for ladies to have pigs in bed with them.
Oh, aye, quite accustomed with the gentles, ma'am. With gentle ladies, aye, and gentlemen. In truth, if single, they would sairly miss their het pig in a cold drift night like this.
I've seen strange countries, but this surely beats their rudest makeshifts for a warming pan. You would not put the pig between the sheets.
Surely, my lady, and the other way. Please, ma'am, you'll find that today the maist get there.
Fie, fie, you dirty them, and if I keep in fear of that, you know, I could not sleep.
Aye, you'll sleep for better, ma'am. Tak my advice. The nicht blows snell, the sheets are cold as ice. I'll fecht you up a fine, warm, cosy pig. I'll make you so comfortable and trig, with curtains, blankets, every kind of hat, and warrant that you to sleep as soon's a tap. As for the filing of the sheets, dear me, the pig's as clean outside as pig can be. A well-closed mouth's enough for other folk, but if you like, I'll put it in a poke.
But Effie, that's your name, I think you said. Do you yourself now take a pig to bed?
Ah, no, ma'am. Pigs are only for the great, who lie in feather beds and sit up late. Feathers and pigs are no for peer riff-raff. Me and my neighbour lassie lie on calf.
What's that, a calf? If I your sense can gather, you and the other lassie sleep together. Two in a bed, and with their calf between. That, I suppose, my girl, is what you mean.
No, no, my lady, odd you're joking noo. We sleep together, that is very true, but nocht between us we are clays all off, except your sarks, we lie upon the calf.
Well, well, my girl, I am surprised to hear that we of English habits live so near such barbarous customs. Effie, you may go. As for the pig, I thank you, but no, no, I'd rather be without both pig and calf.
On the return of Lady Delacour, she wrote a book about her northern tour, wherein the facts are graphically told that Scottish gentlefolks, when nights are cold, take into bed to keep them warm fat pigs, while common folk, who share their bed in halves, denied the richer comforts of the farm, can only warm their sheets with lean cheek calves. And no wonder the English didn't understand. Right, I should have introduced the two characters there. Some of you know Jenny Ralston already.
I like the character.
I'm supposed to be the lady, mind.
And Anne was the lady. It doesn't always appear that way.
No.
Anyway.